Keys. Keys. The design on these keys is pretty boring, to be honest, but well, that's okay. It is another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. It's actually quite chilly, hot chili dog, it's cold, but it is a perfect day. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is James, and well, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, but I gotta go get a jacket. A lot of people have been asking for a garage update video, so today is that video. If you're an OG, some of this stuff could be a bit repetitive. If you're new to the channel, it should all be new. We're gonna go on a tour, I'm gonna show you all the cars, we're gonna drive all the cars, tell you what I do like, what I don't like, and kind of like the future plans as it relates to modifications, specifically for the Aventador. I just like to say it, it's just fun to say. Come on! Okay, we got the Aventador, we got the Baby Mac, we got the R8, we got the Gallardo. Okay, which one where are the keys? Yeah, anyways. This is a cold startup on a stock Audi R8. It used to have straight pipes, it used to sound amazing, but then I sold the straight pipes and now it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Anyways, actually, you know what? Let's take a walk back through time. This is a cold startup on a straight piped Audi R8. 46,589 miles. Nothing will break on this car. Like, nothing will break. Unsurprisingly, the V8 automatic, it doesn't get very good fuel economy. Okay, so well, not arguably, it's the slowest car in the group, but you could argue I've had more fun in the R8 than any other car. Let's roll the montage. It didn't go how we were hoping. Remember how I said there was kind of two ways it would turn out? Well, no, I didn't say that. Well, it didn't go very well. The problem is that I'm on three wheels right now. I'm an idiot. We are back to home sweet home. What car should we take out now? Aventador or Baby Mac? Aventador. Ayo, so we have bad news. The door still squeaks! No! We're taking the 570 because we're headed to Chick-fil-A and it has a cup holder and the Aventador doesn't, so yeah. The alarm on this car is the most disturbing car alarm in the world, so. If you guys are new to the channel, you can win this 570 less than a month away from today. There's a link in the description below, supercarmafia.com. That's right, you guys can own this Baby Mac. Like, this could be one of you guys watching this video presumably is gonna own this car in less than a month. That is so crazy. I'll tell you all more about that, but first we're headed to Chick-fil-A. So I need my chicken before I can vlog. Look how low it is to the ground. Moment of silence for the new owner. Okay, we need our chicken. If you win the 570, you also win a set of sticky notes and a permanent marker. Perfect, now we're rolling. There's a police officer behind me right now. I was gonna do a mad pull right here, but I'm definitely gonna get pulled over right now. Oh no, he's turning, we're good. Okay, I'm good, we're good. Also, I should take the sticky note off the speedo because I don't know how fast I'm going, I'm curious. Chick-fil-A is that way, but well, we're going this way. I know, trust me. Unsurprisingly, the Baby Mac twin turbo V8, it doesn't get very good fuel economy. This acceleration is for the kids on the bus. Wait for it. Hit it. I wish I could convey to you guys the power, the speed of a McLaren. Like if you've never driven one, whatever you're doing, drop it, go rent one. Like find yourself in the driver's seat of a McLaren. The power and acceleration is just like simply unreal. The Chick-fil-A's right there, so I'm quite excited. Today's video is not a paid product placement for Chick-fil-A. The Stradman and his likeness is not associated with Chick-fil-A. Any and all opinions shared in today's video are that of the Stradman's only. Of course, we're not gonna eat in the 570S. I mean, this is your guys' car. There's a link in the description below, the supercarmafia.com. Remember guys, make sure you're eligible. For every $5 spent, you get 1 entry into owning the Baby Mac. So be sure to go check it out. We got hats, we got shirts, we got posters, we got lanyards. We just added water bottles, we got all sorts of stuff. Now it'd be incredibly rude of me to eat my Chick-fil-A in front of you. Also, it looks like a Mustang is checking out the Baby Mac. Maybe we got a race, I don't know, but anyways, chicken. I'm such a dillweed eating my Chick-fil-A next to the Baby Mac. The car gets so much attention now that it's blue, so we are going to move lunch to a new destination. Launch control, awaiting fourth roll. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta calm down. Oh, that was 55. Whoever wins this car, I cannot wait to teach you how to use launch control. I'm not gonna say that a stock 570S is a boring car because obviously it's an amazing car, but in general, McLarens kind of lack the emotion of like Ferraris and Lambos. However, the 570S platform is the perfect platform for an amazing build. I'm gonna put a picture of what this car used to look like on August 1st right here. You guys can compare and contrast. I'd reckon, and hopefully you'd reckon, that the build on this car is amazing. We got the 1016 Industries carbon fiber body kit, including the hood, the splitter, the side skirts, the rear wing. I mean, the color is so amazing. We got the 305 forged wheels. We got new exhaust tips from Fab Speed. We have the Rogue Performance exhaust. The car sounds ridiculous. It looks ridiculous. Just because I've fallen in love with the car doesn't mean I'm still not giving it away. Like legally, if I don't give away this car, guys, I'd end up in the penitentiary, like just like there's actually a jail like right there. That's where I'd end up. Like legally, I have to give away this car, whether or not I love it or not. And well, I love it. Also, be sure to check out the official rules, supercarmafia.com. Yes, you do have to be a legal citizen of the United States. So Canadians, my Canadian mates, I'm sorry. In general, I like you guys more than Americans, but to add another country to the sweepstakes, like all the legal jargon, that's a big word, it just was gonna be too much. Well, we're gonna pick up a Lambo. The Gallardo's not broken. I just gotta get a proper cold starter for you guys. You might argue that this is the best sounding car in the garage. Oh my goodness. We're back in the baby Lambo. We're back in the OG. The OG. Yup. If you asked me what my favorite car was to drive, I'd just tell you to be quiet and listen to the V10 purr. 6-speed gated manual transmission. It's such a sweet car. It's such a sweet car. 46,135 miles. I bought this car 3 years ago with 9,551 miles. What a dream it's been. What a dream it's been. I don't know why I did that. Yeah. I've owned this car for over 3 years. I've put nearly 40,000 miles on it. You know, other cars will come, other cars will go. But man, when I look into the future, I hope this car is always in the family. This is the true OG. I still love this. I probably love this car more than I did day one, because when I bought this car, like, I couldn't afford it. I bought this car purely out of passion. I mean, I should not have bought this car when I did, but I'm so glad I did. The Aventador or the Baby Mac should be the favorite, but, well, they're not. Also, I gotta set up the thumbnail, so we gotta get all the cars out here. The sun is about to go down, so we gotta hustle. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm sorry. The Subaru, it's not gonna make the photo shoot. I'm sorry. We're running out of daylight, but we have a Roncio Borealis next to a Roncio Argos. The colors are insane. We still got to get the Baby Mac, but the sun, it is dropping so quickly. But look at these colors. What? Favorite thing, least favorite thing. Favorite thing, just the sheer power. Least favorite, the front end lift. Favorite thing, the V12. Least favorite, it's a Lamb. We'll come back. Favorite thing, the 6-speed manual. Least favorite, also favorite thing, just the drivability. Least favorite, the R8. I don't know what, I'm a Lambo guy, what can I say? What can I say? Also, the front end lifts on these cars are very, very user-friendly. McLaren. Yeah, least favorite. Turning radius, and it sounds so good, it looks so good, it's got the doors, it's got the V12. More to come. We're gonna drive this like right now. I'll figure it out, more to come. Last but certainly not least, the Aventador. Ayo! It still squeaks, so yeah. It's like a UFO. I want to rev the Aventador so bad, but I don't want to be that dillweed in traffic revving anyways. I'm not going, I want to. It's not that I don't want to, guys. I just don't want to be a dillweed. Hello. Hello. It's telling me to please pay inside. I think my credit card's been rejected. I've spent too much on gas today. Oh, can't get in. I don't know, the door's like broken, so we can't fill up we gotta take it home. I'm on empty, I'm done for. What I love about this car the most is that Lamborghini designs a car that like your 12-year-old imagination would design. Like, it's impractical, it looks like a spaceship, it sounds amazing, the transmission is garbage, but it's so dramatic, it's so much fun that's why they did it. And it has cool doors that squeak, okay, it didn't squeak. There it is, there it is. When driving the Aventador in traffic, you accelerate and you come to a complete stop, and then you let traffic get in front of you, and then you do the same thing over and over and over again. That's the best thing for the single clutch transmission. You don't want to granny it at low speeds. It sounds good, but when it has the exhaust that I just ordered for it, guys, it is gonna scream. The Aventador is like the size of a tank. The Girth Nation. She's Girth. Okay, we're good. The Baby Mac, just the sheer acceleration, the speed is what makes this car so incredibly special. The Aventador, it's outlandish, outrageous, obnoxious. If you're a 12-year-old kid, this is what you would design, the ultimate spaceship. The R8 is classy, sophisticated, which I am none of, but it's still a perfect daily driver. The Gallardo, the original gangster, arguably the best sounding V10 in the world. LFA owners, let me know how you feel in the comments below. Carrera GT owners, hop on in on the bandwagon. These 4 cars aren't gonna be together very often or for much longer. You know, the 570, like one of you guys is gonna own that car soon, December 15th. The R8, not sure what the future is on that car. You know, the Gallardo hopefully will never leave, and the Aventador is the newest car in the family. I bought this November 5th, so I've almost had it for 2 weeks. We have a ton to do on this car. The new exhaust is gonna be here kind of sort of soon, but I don't have a tracking number yet. We're gonna wrap the car soon, maybe get a carbon fiber body kit, maybe some new wheels. If you guys have any, like, I don't think I'm gonna Liberty Walk it. I know if you're upset, but like, you have to like cut into the fenders, and I can't do it. I can't do it. So, this is gonna be kind of like the new focus of the channel, at least for a while. I need to get a set of winter tires. Anyways, on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.